Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making homemade matcha cream using a microwave. This is easy and you can make in less than 10 minutes, and it's also gluten-free recipe this time. So let's get started. In a large bowl, put 2 tablespoons of white rice flour, 4 tablespoons of your favorite sugar, and half tablespoon of matcha powder. Mix all dry ingredients together. Crack an egg and add 200 ml of your favorite milk. Mix until well combined. After that, place in the microwave for 3 minutes. Then mix again. Place back to the microwave for another 3 minutes. And then mix well until creamy texture. Now you have a tasty homemade matcha cream. You can enjoy matcha cream spreading on your bread or using as a filling too. It's easy and very tasty, so you need to try this recipe. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!